Yes. 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 Yeah, are you the best girl in the world like that?
Thank you.
I'm just blessed. I love you.
Christian Combs got Boo Raven Tracy in the kitchen, wiping up his favorite meal, extra crispy fried chicken. So we get to see a clip, and the meal really looks delicious. So the couple is definitely being in love, and both of them are being productive to each other. So Kristen Combs got Raven Tracy throwing down in the kitchen, serving up that crispy golden love. Family, would you fry for your bowl? Would you? So definitely love you guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below, so we get to see that that's quite a lot, my darling. Every video I see of her looks like she hates it there. Why people are judging? She's old enough to leave the relationship if she feels disrespected.